Here we have the integral of tangent of x to the sixth. Let u be tangent of x. Square both sides, we get u squared is tangent of x squared. At 1, we get u squared plus 1 is equal to tangent of x squared plus 1. From trigonometry identities, tangent squared of x plus 1 is secant squared of x. U is tangent of x. The derivative of u with respect to x is secant squared of x. So we have du is equal to secant squared of x times dx. But secant squared of x is u squared plus 1. Secant squared of x is u squared plus 1. Multiply both sides by 1 over u squared plus 1. Then we get 1 over u squared plus 1 du is equal to dx. The integral of tangent of x to the sixth. Tangent of x is u. U is tangent of x. So we get u to the sixth dx is 1 over u squared plus 1 du. And now we get u to the sixth dividing by u squared plus 1. Using polynomial long division, then when we divide here, we write this as u squared plus 0u plus 1. And then we'll get u squared minus u to the fourth minus u squared plus 1 minus 1 over u squared plus 1. And so the integral of tangent of x to the sixth is now the integral of u to the fourth minus u squared plus 1 and then minus 1 over u squared plus 1. Antiderivative with u to the fourth is u to the fifth dividing by 5. Antiderivative with u squared is u to the third dividing by 3. Antiderivative of 1 is just 1u. And then we need to find the antiderivative of 1 over u squared plus 1. This integral has the form of 1 over u squared plus a squared. And so we can use tangent inverse for this. Recall that the derivative of tangent inverse of x over a is 8 over a squared plus x squared. And so the antiderivative of 1 over a squared plus x squared will be 1 over a times tangent inverse of x over a. Or we could think of this as this also. And now our integral is 1 over u squared plus 1. So let a squared be 1, or 8 is 1. And then this integral will be 1 over a times tangent inverse of u over a. But 8 is 1. So we end up with this tangent inverse of u. The variable here is x, and so that's why we have x here. But here the variable is u, and so that's why we get u over a. So integral 1 over u squared plus 1 is tangent inverse of u. So back to our problem. This integral here is tangent inverse of u. But originally u is tangent of x. So in the place of u we have tangent of x, tangent of x, tangent of x, and then here we get tangent inverse of tangent of x. And this is the answer.